everyone, my name is Teval and I am a local ceramist based in the Hill, Newcastle. Today, as part of Newcastle Libraries and Library Week 2020 Create theme, I will be demonstrating to you the process of how to glaze a ceramic plate. So you will need a ceramic plate that's gone through its first firing, and these will be included in your pack that you will receive. You will receive 4 coloured glazes, a few brushes. So it's always a good idea to just wipe down the plate with a damp cloth, just in case there's any dust or anything in it that you don't want to expose during firing. So here's an example of what I have done earlier. I just like to use organic form shapes and use several colours. I like the joyfulness of the plate, but have a think of what you would like to do before you start. So I'll start with just the blue glaze. Blue is one of my favourite colours. Just kind of do that. So notice how the glaze is thinning. So my second stroke would be just going the other way. So I'll just colour that all in. I find it's a bit like applying nail polish. You don't want to blob it on, but you don't want to go very thin as well. So that's the first colour applied. In order to have the glazes come out really nice during firing, you would need to do the same process at least 2 to 3 times. They dry very quickly, so just do the whole process again. Okay, so that's the second layer. It's almost drying very quickly, but you can go on to a different colour if you like and come back to that. If you can see, the colours didn't exactly cover the white ceramic plate, so that's why we actually need to do it 2 or 3 times. So the pink has dried. And if you can see, you can see the whiteness of the plate. So we want to really cover all that up, so during the firing that whiteness doesn't actually come to surface. So this is the second layer of the pink. Just so there's no blobs, just nice and evenly just brush it out. So I'll go on to my yellow. Might do some dots. The colours will actually change during firing, so it won't be exactly the same of these colours. Some go lighter and some just go a bit more darker. When you're applying your glazes, they actually look very matte, but once they're fired, they'll be out nice and colourful and shiny because I will be applying a clear glaze on top of them. For instance, this blue and that blue is the same colour. Notice how it's a complete different shade of blue. So the last third layer of glaze. Okay, just the final colour yellow. So I'm applying my last colour, which is black. So I'll just do the second layer of the black. I'll just put some blue in the pink. I just really like the contrast of different colours coming together and making a very cheerful kind of pattern, really. And it's done. So there you go. That's not very hard at all, is it? I hope you have enjoyed this artistic process. I am very keen to see all the unique designs you come up with. Please take a photo of your creations and tag us on social media. If you would like to find out more of what I do, I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Ceramics by Teval.